What is the function of u?
Function? Eat, sleep, and play games.
I'm not asking you what you like to do. Look, if this box is u, and I input food and rest into the box, what would the output be?
Let me think. If I eat, then I will go to the toilet and really have an output.
Well, that's one possible outcome. But another possible output could be that you'd have lots of energy and can go on to do productive work, like completing all my assignments.
Okay, and so your main point will be?
It would be to illustrate to you the concept of functions.
So that means I'm the function in this case.
That's right. A function is a process that associates each element of a set X to a unique element of a set Y, meaning given a specific input, a specific output is produced.
So does that mean if I'm the function and the input is videos like this, the output will be distinctions for exams?
That's a very good example. Now, instead of writing or using the word function all the time, we mathematicians thought of two ways to represent a function. The first is to use f bracket x to represent a function, but we read it as f of x. For example, f of x equals to x squared. This is a function that links any value of x in the input set to its square number in the output set. In other words, a function describes the relationship between input and output. You can call it the process if you like. Now, for the second way of representation, the arrow with a vertical line means mapping. This means any value of x will be mapped to the square number of itself. In both cases, f is the name of the function, x is the input variable, and x squared is the process done to the input variable to get the output.
Teacher, it doesn't have to be f of x all the time, right? You can name the function in your own way. For example, h of t equals to t cubed plus 1.
That's correct.
Okay, the first notation, f bracket x, it looks like f times x.
Ah, that's a common misunderstanding. The first notation actually refers to a function f of input x. You can't multiply them together just because they look like two variables.
I think I understand.
If you understand, see if you can answer this question. Is f of x equals to sine a function?
I don't see the variable x on the right side of the equation, so probably it's not a function?
Excellent.
Oh.
It's not a function because it doesn't have any variable to show the input. The right way to write this function is f of x equals to sine x.
Well, guess I won't have any problem identifying function.